Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. The perks of Herbal Liver Detox Kits. Herbs can definitely promote the proper functioning of the liver. They can also do so much in the protection of the liver, as one of the vital organs in the human body. Thus, it would help to consume some of these herbs once in a while. And what better time to do such than by having your own Herbal Liver Detox Kit? These Herbal Liver Detox Kits are created and designed for the overall protection of the liver. Here are some of the Herbal Liver Detox Kits that are quite popular in the health and fitness market today. First of such Herbal Liver Detox Kits is the Clean Living Detox Kit. This kit has 3 bottles of LiverCare at 90 tablets per bottle, and 1 bottle of HemoCare at 120 tablets. This particular kit is quite popular all over the world. In fact, it has been coined as one of the most powerful and effective herbal liver detox kits ever. This is because this particular herbal liver detox kit has LiverCare, which is one of the best liver support formulas ever created all over the world. LiverCare specializes in the neutralization of all sorts of toxins that can be consumed by the average human being. And these are not just toxins that you can accumulate from environmental pollutants. LiverCare also neutralizes toxins that you can get from food products and prescription medicines. HemoCare, on the other hand, specializes in the systemic purification of the blood. This way, the toxins that can be found in the bloodstream can be flushed out as well. Let's move on to the herbs contained in this particular Herbal Liver Detox Kit. These herbs are capers, chicory, black nightshade, arjuna, negro coffee, yarrow, and tamarisk. Capers act as hepatic stimulants and improve the efficiency of the liver's main functions. Capers also have helpful effects on liver glycogen and serum proteins. Chicory is also a hepatic stimulant. It promotes the secretion of bile and digestion. Black nightshade has hepatoprotective effects on the liver, kidneys, and bladder. Arjuna specializes on the cardiovascular aspect of the body. Blood pressure and heart rate is controlled by this herb. What's more, Arjuna has components that promote the protection of the cardiovascular system. Negro coffee supports bowel movements, and is also known as a purgative. Yarrow promotes normal digestive and urinary functions. Yarrow actually makes a good diuretic as well. The tamarisk is also used as a diuretic and a tonic. The alkaloid, tamaraxin, in it can reverse the process of hepatic insufficiency. Studies have also shown that the tamarisk has properties that can increase platelet counts. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.